Hey, did you know that every single day, over 100,000 people search for answers about money, investing, and personal finance online? That's insane. But here's the crazy part, most of them don't know where to look or how to find the topics that actually matter. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to find the money topics people are desperately searching for right now. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot trending finance topics before anyone else does. So why does this even matter? Well, imagine you are trying to teach your friends about money but you are talking about something nobody cares about. That's a waste of time, right? Whether you are starting a YouTube channel, writing a blog, or just trying to understand what finance topics are hot right now, you need to know what people actually want to learn. This skill is literally the foundation of creating content that people actually watch and share. Think of it like being a shop owner. You need to know what products your customers actually want to buy, not just what you feel like selling. Let me explain the first concept. Google Trends. Imagine Google Trends like a magic window into people's brains showing you what they're thinking about right now. It's completely free. You just go to google.com/trends and type in a topic like how to invest or passive income. The tool shows you a graph that goes up and down like a heartbeat, showing when people search for that topic more or less. If the line goes up, that means more people are interested in that topic right now. If it goes down, people are losing interest. It's like tracking the popularity of a song on the radio. You can see which ones are getting hot and which ones are dying out. Here's a concrete example. Let's say you search for cryptocurrency on Google Trends. You might see that searches skyrocketed in November 2023 when Bitcoin hit £40,000. Then dropped in December. But then you search cryptocurrency scams and see it's growing every single month. This tells you people are getting worried about losing money in crypto. That's a golden signal. It means there's huge demand for content teaching people how to avoid getting scammed. You could create videos like how to spot crypto scams and know exactly that thousands of people need that information because you can see the search data proving it. Here's the big mistake most people make. They create content about topics they think are interesting, not topics people are actually searching for. I see this all the time. Someone makes a 20-minute video about some boring money topic, gets 47 views, then gets discouraged. But the real problem is they never checked if anyone actually wanted to watch it. It's like opening a restaurant and only serving food you personally like, even if nobody else wants it. To avoid this trap, always check if your topic is trending before you invest time creating content about it. Here's exactly what you do today to find trending finance topics. Step 1. Go to Google Trends right now on your phone or computer. Step 2. Search for a broad finance topic like investing or how to save money. Step 3. Look at the related queries section at the bottom. This shows you the specific questions people are asking about that topic. For example, when I searched investing for beginners, the top related query was how to start investing with $100. Boom. That's a trending topic right there. Step 4. Make a note of the top 5 to 10 related queries because those are gold for content ideas. Let me tell you about Sarah, who's 19 and started a finance TikTok channel. She didn't just guess what topics to cover, she used Google Trends and found that how to get out of debt searches were going absolutely crazy. She made one video about paying off £2,000 in credit card debt step by step. That video got 850,000 views because it answered exactly what people were searching for. She could have spent time making videos about complicated options trading that nobody wanted to watch. Instead, she found what people actually needed. And it changed everything for her channel growth. Here's the advanced ninja tip that most creators don't know. Check YouTube's search suggestions. Click on youtube.com. Type in a finance keyword. And watch the drop-down menu appear with suggestions. Those suggestions are ranked by how many people search for them monthly. So if you type investing, and the drop-down shows investing for beginners, investing in stocks, investing with little money, those are ranked by popularity. The first one showing up is what people search for most. You can also use a free tool called Answer the Public that shows you every question people are searching about a topic. It's like a cheat code. Myth number 1. If I just create good content, people will find it. Wrong. You could make the best video ever about something zero people care about. It'll still flop. Reality. You need both good content and a topic people are actually searching for. Myth number 2. Trends are useless because they change so fast. Actually, While some trends come and go in weeks, many finance topics have consistent high search volumes year-round. People are constantly searching for how to invest, passive income, and build wealth, because those are evergreen topics people care about forever. Use trends to find consistent demand, not just hype. So here's what we learned. Finding trending finance topics isn't rocket science, it's just about using the right tools. Google Trends shows you what people want. Related queries show you the specific questions. YouTube suggestions rank topics by popularity. And tools like Answer the Public give you hundreds of question ideas. The key is doing this research before you spend hours creating content. Now you know exactly how to find topics that thousands of people are searching for right now. This is genuinely a game-changer skill that'll help you whether you are creating content or just learning about finance. Subscribe to the channel because next week we are showing you how to turn these trending topics into actual money-making content ideas. Drop a comment telling me what finance topic you've been wondering about. I bet it's trending right now. And hey, if you found this helpful, send it to one friend who's trying to start their own finance channel. Let's help them find trending topics too.